Project management terms. Stand-up meeting. A stand-up meeting, also known as the daily scrum, is a daily short meeting conducted to get an update from every team member about their work progress. Usually, stand-up call meeting is conducted at the same time and same place every day. Follow-up. A meeting follow-up indicates all the activities that are targeted towards collecting feedback from the meeting participants after a meeting. Resource allocation. Resource allocation involves scheduling and assigning resources for a project in the most efficient way possible. A resource breakdown structure, a comprehensive list of resources required to complete a project. This list is usually made according to the function and resource type, facilitating the planning and controlling of a project work. Resource leveling. This is the process of adjusting the process schedule in a way that keeps a resource use below a set limit. Resource availability. Availability specifies whether a particular resource is available at any given time or not.